Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Pitches here. Just want to quickly show you this fun endgame puzzle, fun endgame etude, so that you can learn something. And so what's going on? White tries to queen their pawn on a8. Black has their pawn on h4. And black happily will trade their bishop to this pawn and win very easily with extra queen. First move is a6. Uh, Black captures because they don't have this d5 square. In this position, it's important to think because automatically everyone will play a7, and after bishop to d5, they understand that they lost because if you play c4, obviously black will not take. They play this move, and everything is under control. Black easily winning. So in this position, it's important to play e4, kind of crazy move. But it's a check, so you have to deal with this. And another problem is that it takes away this d5 square. Yeah, so if you play something like here, then uh, a7 and white wins. Yeah, because you cannot play this move because I'll just capture it. So e4, black takes, and a7. So bishop d5, the only move. And in this position, what happened is that bishop no longer can go to h1 or the e5. So white plays c4. Yeah. So it leaves black basically only one option to play bishop to a8 because this pawn is too far away. And if you play this, I'll take it and I'll win probably on the spot. Yeah, after queens, I'll just take this queen and win the game. So black is forced to play bishop to a8. Now white forces it to go to run away, and this is a draw. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.